it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another BOXYCHARM unboxing. If you're unfamiliar with how I do my BOXYCHARM unboxings, here's how it goes down. I take a look at last month's products, I use those throughout the whole month, and I'll let you know what I think of them now after using them for that month and whether I thought that I would pay $25 for those items because that is the cost of the box. Then I go into this month's box not really knowing what's inside. I have my husband take a look at the card. He lets me know what kinds of products are in there, like there's something for your cheeks, there's something for your eyes, and that way I know what I can come on camera with and basically also without, because I'm gonna put whatever is in here on my face. As two quick caveats, number one, if the item is not cruelty-free, I'm not gonna be using it. I do only use cruelty-free makeup products, so if it is not cruelty-free, I'm just gonna pass it on to a friend. Number two, if I think that I'm gonna use the product once and then never again, if I'm gonna use it just for this video and then it's gonna sit in my collection, I'm also not gonna use it because I would rather pass on a brand new product to someone rather than something that's been used once. Also, before we get into the importance that is this guy, I do want to say that today that I'm filming this, it's my birthday. October 15th is my birthday, so today is my 40th, which sounds crazy to say out loud, but as a birthday present to me, I would love it, seriously, if you'd hit that subscribe button. It would mean so much to me. And you know what? If you're already subscribed, if you could share this video, share one of my videos that you really enjoy, that would be such an awesome birthday present. Share the love with your friends. Let them know to come on over and be a part of the Rockstar fam. But before we can get into any of that, it's time to light the cat candle. This cat candle has a metal cat skeleton inside, and I only light it when I'm filming so that we can all watch the magic together as this mother effer burn baby burns. Again, these burn very slowly, as has been evidenced by the first cat candle, whose name was Ben. This one is named Rooster, but the cat is on fire. We can officially start. All right, let's first go over the September box. Now, all 5 items were cruelty-free, which was amazing. That very rarely happens. The theme was glam vibes only, and I got variation number 44. So first was the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. I've been using this every single day. I've actually been using it morning and night, and I like it. It is very hydrating. It sinks right in, which is really nice. I don't really notice any brightening effects, and I know that sometimes that comes over time, but I have been using this literally every single day. The other weird thing, the consistency is a little bit strange in that, you know how sometimes like you touch an eye cream and then some of it comes off on your finger. This one, a lot of times, like when you touch it, nothing comes up. I don't know if you can see that. So I have to, use a spatula or my nail to dig in there and get product out. I don't really mind that, but it is a little bit strange. Like it's a little solid, a little more solid than I expected. This retails for $45. I think it is worth, having it in the box. I really do enjoy it. Will I purchase it again for $45? I don't know. I really am enjoying it right now though. The next item it's dirty, let's be honest. This is the Billion Dollar Beauty Charcoal Beauty Sponge. This retails for $15. I really, really enjoyed this. It's a really good consistency to the point where I am definitely considering buying another one of these, but there is something that's turning me off. So again, I did not wash this. I know I should have, but I've been using this a lot, but let me show you something up close. Do you see how it's already splitting over here? Like it's already got some cracks in it, and it's got several cracks in it at that, which is really annoying considering I just got it. There's one here, there was another one, yep, there's another one like right over here. There's several cracks and it seems really early to be this damaged already. Again though, I really, really like the texture and consistency of this, so I might even consider buying another one. I don't mind that it was $15 and I'm kind of happy it was in my box. Next was the Hank and Henry Love Luxe lipstick. This is that one that it kind of broke my Instagram for a little bit. It's got glitter all over it and it is stunning. I have used this several times, but let's be honest, I'm wearing a mask whenever I leave my house, so I'm not wearing a whole lot of lipsticks right now, but I do really enjoy this. This is definitely a matte formula. It is not completely transfer proof. It is not even transfer resistant. It will transfer, but I really like it, and if you didn't see my last video, the glitter does not come onto your lips at all. It goes away the second you apply this, so it is completely matte. This retails for $18. Will I buy this again? Well, I'm not gonna go through a whole tube of this, I don't think, but would I buy another one? I think I would. A lot of you told me in the comments last month that you got a red version of this in your box. Whew, I like the formula of this enough that I really want to try that red one. So if you got the red one last month, let me know down below how much you like it. Does it lean more pink? Does it lean more orange? Let me know what you think. Then there was the Laura Geller Lash Boss Mascara. This surprised the hell out of me. I've been using this a lot. It reminds me a lot of Too Faced Better Than Sex in that it is not a very wet mascara at all, and it does have the more natural bristles as opposed to a plastic wand. It even sort of almost has that hourglass shape that the Too Faced Better Than Sex does, but I really like it. I think it's really good for separating my lashes and making them long, and it doesn't clump anything together. I really liked it, and I would have never thought of buying this in the store. I never gravitate towards the Laura Geller section. I don't know why. It's just like, it doesn't look exciting to me, and I'm drawn in by color because I'm a freaking raccoon. This retails for $24. Would I spend $24 on this again? I don't know. I like this, but I don't think I like it better than my Milk Makeup Kush Mascara or better than Too Faced Better Than Sex. So I would probably buy one of those before I buy this again, but I did enjoy it. I will use the whole tube. Finally, we had the Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish palette. This retails for $28. I'll be honest, I've only used this maybe one other time since last month. Reason being, this is one of those items I was just talking about, right? Where I look at it and I know I'm going to use it once, so I should just pass it on. I should have passed this on. I do not wear these colors often enough to have justified using this like twice. I really don't. So it's very pretty. The quality is decent. I do think that the original palette that we got in BOXYCHARM, which was the Reina del Caribe, I do think that was better quality than this one, but a lot of people seem to really like this. This is not for me. So knowing what I know now, would I have paid $25 for these 4 items? Hell yes, very much so. I really enjoyed 4 out of the 5 items, which is very rare for me. As you know, I'm not trying to be a negative Nancy on my channel, but I'm gonna tell you guys the honest truth because I don't want you to waste your damn money. And even though it's only $25, if the products inside are complete shit, it doesn't matter if you're paying $5 or $500. All right, let's get into this month's box. My husband did tell me that I could not do anything to my face before coming on camera today, which means like none of my skincare routine, no makeup, nothing. So let's see. First, I'm gonna look at the card and I just look at the theme. The theme is Candy Shop. And also, this is right on the front, save the date. So if you are a member, the online pop-up shop is opening November 10th. So that's a chance to get items that have been in past BOXYCHARMs for really cheap. Sometimes it'll be like $5 for a full bottle of foundation. So go check that out. And the variation I got is number 38. The very first item is huge. What the hell? Okay, this is by Murad, and it is an AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser, and it's called the hydration line, which is interesting because exfoliation doesn't usually go with hydration in the same sentence, but I'm curious about this. I can't remember, is Murad a cruelty-free brand? Hang tight. Okay, Murad is cruelty-free. This is a huge tube. How many ounces is this? This is 6.75 fluid ounces, head for scale. This is massive, and this retails for $40. So this is the big item. Okay, this is the big one, and I'm curious to try it. It has a blend of salicylic, lactic, and glycolic acids that polish away dull skin without irritation. Okay, they say to only use this 2 to 3 times weekly, so I will try this before I put on anything else that's in the box. Not bad. The second item is a lip product. Oh, this is by Sol de Janeiro. If you've watched my channel for a minute, you know how obsessed I am with the Boom Boom Cream. This is their Brazilian Kiss Tinted Quapacu lip butter. I'm gonna butcher that, whatever. Anyway, this, oh gosh, does this smell like the Boom Boom Cream? I need this to smell like the Boom Boom Cream. I think this smells like the other one. This smells like the one that smells like popcorn. Shit. I have heard about this product though, and a lot of people say it is uber sheer. So this is basically gonna be like a, lip balm is what I'm thinking, with maybe a very slight tint. This retails for $20 for a sheer lip balm. Probably, no, I don't think I'm gonna like that, but we do have 2 cruelty-free products so far. So let's go for item number 3. This again is huge. This is Tarte, the Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray. Okay, I'm always down for a setting spray. Also, this looks like one of those aerosol setting sprays. Is it? It is. So I'm curious to see. Let's see if we can see. Oh my gosh. That is a lovely feeling mist. Oh, wow, that feels really, really, really nice. I do not smell anything. Maybe it's because I only sprayed it for 2 seconds. That feels really nice, and I am always down for setting sprays. Tarte is also a cruelty-free brand, so this retails for $23. Not too bad. The third item is by Ace. Okay, is it Ace Beauty? Which is what I would think if there's the line above the E, but I see so many YouTubers saying Ace Beauté. I think it's Beauty, right? Anyway, this is the Draw It Lip Liner. Oh, there's 2 in here? Oh, interesting. Okay, so we've got this very corally, rosy kind of color, and we have a neutral brown. Unfortunately, neither of them really match this. Like, I would like to use these 2 together, but I can try to make it work. Let's see what these colors are. These do have a plastic twist-up component, and the actual colors look much darker than the little bottoms down here. So just keep that in mind. This set retails for $16, which I think is super, super reasonable, especially because you get 2. And the final item in the box, it feels like a palette. By Pretty Vulgar, this is the Resting Bitch Face palette. Okay, let's take a look at this together. We've got 2 bronzers. This one looks matte. This one looks like it has slight satin finish to it. We have a matte blush and a shimmery blush, and then 2, I guess, highlighters. This one would obviously be way too deep on my skin tone. How do I feel about this? So this retails for $32. So you know what, guys? I'm gonna pass this on. This is really nice looking, but again, I feel like this is one of those things where I would use it once and never again, and I don't want that to happen. I really don't. I've got a bunch of makeup. I've talked in the past about how I'm even considering canceling BOXYCHARM because I have so many products at this point. I still might consider canceling. Maybe it'll be this month, maybe it'll be next month, I don't know. But this is something I'm going to save for somebody else. So this is a cruelty-free brand, and I have used Pretty Vulgar in the past, and their products are very decent, but this is nothing that I'm so excited about that I want to use it once. So the retail value of this month's box is $131, and again, you're paying $25 for the box as a whole. So that is a good deal, and I've got, you know, a decent amount of items that I'm gonna be able to try. Unfortunately, it's not gonna be some dramatic makeup look this month, but that's okay. I do have to admit, I saw a spoiler that a lot of people got an eyeshadow palette, excuse me, in their boxes. And the second I saw the eyeshadow palette, I was like, oh, that's unfortunate because I know I don't want to use that. So I'm really actually glad I didn't get it this month. And these are some items that I'm curious about. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go wash my face with this cleanser, and I'll be right back to let you know what I think of it. All right, so what's interesting about this is that it is both a chemical and a physical exfoliant. So it does have little gritty pieces in it that do exfoliate physically. So you are getting that skin feel where, you know, you can tell it's actually abrasive a little bit, but it's also that chemical exfoliant. So where it says 2 to 3 times a week, I would suggest that, because if you use a physical or chemical exfoliant too much, it could be damaging to your skin. This does feel really nice. So I will say, like, my skin does not feel too tight or dehydrated in any way. I didn't do any of my other skincare yet, and I do have like an extensive skincare routine, so it's killing me a little bit right now to just sit here with a cleansed face. But I do think it felt really nice. $40 is a little steep for a cleansing product, but again, my skin does feel hydrated, which is really interesting because usually exfoliants tend to sometimes tighten up your skin. This feels really nice and hydrated. So far, I'm pretty happy with it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop off camera once again, and what I'm going to do is the rest of my skincare, I'm gonna do some face makeup, but I think I'm gonna keep it kind of light today. A little bit of eye makeup, and then we'll come back, we will use the lip products and the setting spray. And yeah, let's get into this. All right, so off camera, I went ahead and I did the rest of my skincare. I also did all of my makeup, and I also ate an onion bagel and didn't brush my teeth afterwards. So be really glad you don't have smell-o-vision right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do the Ace Beauty lip liner. The one I'm using is Be Peachy. This is the more brown toned one. Again, it looks much darker here than it does here. And then I'm going to top that with the Brazilian Kiss from Sol de Janeiro. But first, let's just line the lips. Let me zoom you in. All right, so I went ahead and I lined my lips too. This is a nice formula actually. So it is creamy, but it's not so creamy that it's gonna slip and slide everywhere. Like, I'm somebody who once in a while, I like to put on just a lip liner as my lipstick. This is really nice, and I love this color. Love, love this color. I'm curious to see how long it lasts, but let's go ahead and do this. Again, I'm not expecting much color from this. It would be nice if there was a little bit of shine, and I'm curious to feel if it's moisturizing, but this is a brownie pink in the tube, but let's do a swatch first. I see absolutely zero color, no color at all. So I'm expecting just a lip balm. I don't even know why it's tinted. It says it's tinted, but let's see. Oh, okay. All right, so here's the thing. This is very moisturizing. It feels beautiful on the lips. The scent is definitely the Coco Cabana scent from Sol de Janeiro, which is the one I do not love. It smells like buttered popcorn to me, and I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I think a lot of people said that it actually smells like coconut oil, which is what they pop a lot of popcorn in, but okay, and the smell is still very much there. Oh, it's stinky, but it feels beautiful on the lips, like really, really nice, very moisturizing. Oh, it still smells like buttered popcorn. Can I get past that? I do not know, but it looks and feels so nice. Damn it. Oh, oh, oh. It's weird to keep smelling your own mouth. Oh. Finally, let's try out the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist. Again, this is an aerosol formula, so let's see. I love this. I absolutely love it. It says that it sets makeup for 16 hours. So obviously, since I just used it, I can't speak to that, but I've always wanted to try one of the aerosol setting sprays, but they were by like Morphe and Jeffree Star, which I am not buying either of those brands. So I'm excited that someone else came out with one. It felt very nice and refreshing. I don't smell anything, but I do have to say, like, usually when you do a setting spray, you're supposed to wait a minute before you breathe through your mouth. I did not do that. So my whole mouth is filled with alcohol tasting setting spray. So if you're keeping track, right now we have onion bagel in the mouth, buttered popcorn on the mouth area, and then we've got alcohol just all up in there. Okay, so out of the products, I did try 4 out of 5 of them. Would I have paid $25 for this? Yeah, I would have. These are all really, really nice. There was nothing here I didn't like. There's also nothing I'm blown away by. I do really like this, but something tells me I'm gonna go through this very fast, and this retails for $23, so we will have to see. But this is a month I'm really happy with, and while I'm not going to say what it was, I did see accidentally a spoiler of what is going to be in next month's box, or like one of the options that might be in that box. So I am going to at least keep my subscription going for 1 more month, at least, just to see. And also, if you're ever going to post spoilers online for something that hasn't even happened yet, please put it in the comments, because some of us, we don't like the spoil. I like being surprised by BOXYCHARM. So I'm kind of bummed that I know of something that's going to be in next month, but that's neither here nor there. Again, I would love if you'd give this video a thumbs up, if you would subscribe, if you would share this video. It would be your birthday present to me. I would really, really love that. You all can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are all GlitterFallout. And as always and forever, you are super freaking rock stars. I love you with my whole heart, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Mwah.